What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a couple of stories for you, and two questions. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day has to do with the big June update that's going to be coming out to the Samsung phones. Now, when is it potentially coming out finally? And then also, is it going to ruin battery life? Because sometimes when we get these updates, battery life is just ruined, and S23 Ultra has really good battery life, and I would hate to see that go away. Well, here's the information first of all. So what the information is that the update is due to come out very soon, actually. So basically by next week, the update is coming out either the June 27th for Canada, and then in European countries, you're looking at June 19th/20th. And for India, Asia, USA, you're looking at 20 and 21. If it gets delayed again, those countries will get pushed for somewhere between the 26th and the 28th. But we're not done, guys, because Ice Universe said he's looking forward to the June update. He consulted the internal testers to let them talk about their feelings. He told me that the S23 Ultra June firmware battery life is great and the overall fluency has improved. So that's really good news that when this update does come out, that it shouldn't really change the performance or the battery life at all. And next week, hopefully we will all begin receiving this said huge big June update. Next up is about the Google Pixel Watch 2. Now, if you know about this watch, it's going to be much more powerful, have better battery life. What about the design though? It's looking like the information that's being leaked out is that it's going to keep a very similar design to the Pixel Watch, circular design. It might not even be bigger, we don't fully know, but it's been revealed from an APK teardown, which is a Android app, APK. That's what they use there, that's what it's packaged in. And this is what it's showing that it's going to look like. So not the end of the world if it looks like this. I was really hoping for some kind of square watch. I like the Apple design. I think that's better for a smartwatch. But what do you think is the best looking smartwatch? Should it be a circular design or a square design? Let me know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump on our Q&A. Pixel Pete, following up the previous question, I have not seen any full-fledged reviews of the Google Pixel Fold outside of the I/O timeframe. Have you heard anything as to why we have not seen reviewers reviewing the Pixel Fold yet? We are only 2 weeks away from launch, and I just don't understand why we haven't seen any solid hands-on reviews. Again, this makes me nervous. Well, I'll be honest, I'm in Team Pixel, and I don't have it either, and I haven't had word that they're sending it to me. I would guess that they didn't make a lot of these, and that they're maybe not planning to give these out to reviews, and that when reviews do come out, it'll be people that actually own it. But I think the big players in tech will probably get them, the MKBHDs, the people like that. They'll probably get a review unit. I heard the reviews can come out, I think, between the 15th and the 20th, so you might start seeing them tomorrow. But I would expect you'll probably see them at least in the next week from folks. And our last question from Timothy Hammock. If I made a 22 Ultra into an S23 Ultra trade-wise, what are the steps in case the S22 Ultra arrives in Samsung cracked, or is this still happening? Am I good? Please help. I haven't been following it lately if people are sending in their phones and Samsung saying it's cracked or not. So I would guess it's probably not happening anymore. But if it does, contact Samsung via chat or call into them, take pictures and everything of the device and show that it's not broken before you send it off. That way you can fight it much easier. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below, #question. We'll see you down the road.